as I said earlier, that Nile bus got banned at nowhere. The Uganda police has issued a press statement. The press release from the police, the person who posted it is called Mudong David. Mudong David, via the official social media platform of the police, specifically X, stated a bus owned by Nile Star Bus Company, registration number UBF 003Y, caught fire this morning, February the 14th, 2024, at Latoro along the Pakwach to Karuma Highway in Wa district, while en route to Kampala. The bus was heading to Kampala when it was approaching Karumba. Fortunately, all passengers were safely evacuated. However, the bus was completely burned and passengers' properties worth millions of shillings were destroyed. The Noya Territorial Police have commenced an investigation into the incident to determine the probable cause. Now, meaning the bus was heading to Karuma. Imagine if this bus was to catch fire just near the Karuma Bridge or on top of the Karuma Bridge. What would happen to the passengers? We thank God everyone is safe, and let us know what you think about this incident and what could be best done, as you heard somebody in the video, in the link, talking about that they would have moved with at least 4 fire extinguishers, which could help to rescue the fire. Give the feedback in the comment as we give you more updates. Thank you.